Good evening, everyone. I'm Siddharth. Before you to explain about my new topic in networking that is based on the networking troubleshooting commands. So for this, we can configure our command prompt in Windows, and then we can execute our various networking commands. So now the first command which I'm gonna type is for ipconfig. So ipconfig displays all the current TCP and net IP networks configuring and refreshes the dynamic host configuration protocol, that is DHCP, and domain name address, that is DNS. And if it is also used for parameters, displays IP address, subnet mask, and so on, so etc. So these are the parameters such as wireless LAN adapter and wire connection, local area connection, and Ethernet adapter, and everything so on. So if now again the next command is we can go to ping. So the ping command. So ping is a computer network administration utility used to test the reachability of an host on an internet protocol. So to measure the round trip time for messages and for originating host to the destination computer. So the student ping is to uh, used to determine whether the packets are being comfortably shared towards two host systems in a network. So the next command which we can go is for traceroute. So traceroute. So how traceroute consists of many of the options in which we can do the maximum hops, that is the next IP addresses, next network host list, timeout, etc. So these are one of the commands of traceroute. Traceroute is a computer network diagnosis tool for displaying the path and measuring the transit delays of packets across the internet protocol network. So the next goes to NSLOOKUP. The NSLOOKUP is a network administration command line that is available for many of the domain systems and many of the domain operating systems, mainly for querying a DNS to obtain a domain name or a mapping for any specific DNS record. So NSLOOKUP is such as a loop structure format in the networking. So now again, netstat. Right, netstat. Here this is the when we on the NSLOOKUP, we cannot get it, and we cannot get all other commands as it is such as loop of structure, and firstly we have to terminate the NSLOOKUP. So now the next command which we're gonna say is for netstat. Here the netstat is a command time look tool that displays network connections, network connections, routing tables, and a number of network interface statistics. So such as these are the number of the TCP IP protocols and the local addresses. These are such as serial ports and many of the addresses, foreign local addresses and foreign addresses, and etc. These are the states of the statics. So now the next command, that is our last command, is of path ping. Path ping. So the path ping also consists of various usages and various options, etc., and many options such as host list, maximum hops, addresses and periods, num queries, and timed out. So path ping is designed for environments in which one or more routers exist between the hosts. It sends away series of packets to each router that's in the path of a destination host and its effort to determine the server. Thank you.